everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how I go about on removing the VANOS solenoids, seals, gaskets, whatever way you want to call them. So this is a 10mm bolt. Now quite easy to loosen, probably has only 10 Newton meters of torque. Again, this is bank 2 here. I'm going to remove the bolt first. And you might be asking yourself, why the hell are you not using impact gun? Not really. I'm old-fashioned guy. I like to do this by hand. I enjoy it, gives me pleasure, and this way I end up stripping no threads. So I like to do it the good old safe way. These are the 2 bolts, and this is your VANOS solenoid seal. Now I'm going to do the other side. In the same way. So loosen this 10mm bolt, and the job is really easy when you have nothing to obstruct. Have removed quite a bit of stuff, so it makes the job really easy. I have brand new seals that I'm going to put in place. I don't know what way I'm going to go about on removing these. I probably will try and wiggle it with a screwdriver, or I might even try and get my 90-degree pick and just pull it gently. But I will put some WD-40 on the actual solenoid. Now be careful with these solenoids, they're very expensive, and you don't want to damage them. So put a screwdriver and wiggle it back and forward, and you will find eventually it will break loose, and maybe then use a pick or something to get it out of here. That's it. That's the job. One out. As you can see, I have bought replacements which are Victor range. This is the original one. Next one here. In the same way, and give it a little wiggle. Broke the seal. Then I might actually use one of those pliers. One or 2 pairs, and pull it that way. This might be the easier way. And I have put a bit of WD-40 there in place. So this is probably a little bit easier. So it just shows you live and learn. This was so much easier. So that's your VANOS solenoid seals out.